Hello, everybody. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed, and I hope everyone else is blessed. And so I'm coming to you this afternoon, and I'm getting ready to do sweet potato pies. And I will be using I have about 5 pounds of sweet potatoes. But first of all, I will be reading my scriptures. Okay, I'm taking this one from Proverbs 1:33. Whosoever hearken unto me shall dwell safely and shall be quiet from fear of evil. Whosoever hearken unto me shall dwell safely and shall be quiet from the fear of evil. Proverbs 1:3. 1:33, I'm sorry. I am come a light into the world, that whosoever believeth on me shall not abide in darkness. John 12:16. So thank you. That is my scriptures for this evening, and I appreciate you all. I thank you. So I'm getting ready now to get my sweet potatoes by. So let's get started, okay? I have 5 pounds of sweet potatoes, and I already cooked them in the oven, and I'm going to start mixing them up. I prefer baking them in the oven, so because when you put them in the water, they end up with boil them. They have a lot of water in them. And this also keeps the sweetness in them. Because sometimes the potatoes are sweet and sometimes they're not. Okay, I'm adding 2 sticks of soft butter. This is not margarine, this is real soft butter. You can use margarine if you prefer, but use whatever you would like. I have a half cup of brown sugar. And into the brown sugar, I'm going to add my white sugar, which okay, I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar because I have the Eagle brand milk. And last time I did use evaporated milk, which is not sweetened, but the condensed milk is sweetened. So this will be 1 cup. All right. Now I'm going to add my eggs. Okay, I have 5 eggs. Okay. Okay, I'm putting the whole can of the Eagle brand milk. This is condensed milk. All right, I'm putting a teaspoon of lemon juice in. It's from a real lemon. And then also I have a tablespoon of flour. I'm putting it all in at the same time. And on here I have a half teaspoon of a nutmeg and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Okay. All right, this is just a few drops of vanilla flavor. Okay. I'm putting just a little pinch of salt. Okay.
Okay, y'all, she's gonna put it in the pie shell and it's delicious.
Just a second, as soon as I get it out the rim here. Okay. I'm getting ready to put them in the pan.
You gonna bake it for how long?
For about 45 minutes at 350. It depends on what kind of stove you have.
Okay, y'all, she said she's gonna bake it. You can bake it at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. Depends on what kind of stove you have.
Okay, thank you. I'm getting ready to put it in the oven.
Okay, yeah, she's probably gonna put some foil over the crust part so it don't get brown. Okay, we'll be back once it's done. Okay, y'all, she's put the foil around the edges and she's gonna put in the oven. All right, thank you.
Okay, everyone. I'm back with my presentation, final presentation of my sweet potato pie. All right, so this is real good pie, I tell you. I know it's going to be rich. It's made with condensed milk. Okay. I'm going to be cutting a piece of my pie. All right. These pie crusts are very good. This is a pie crust that I buy at Aldi's, and they are very, very tender, and they are very, very good. And it look like they are made out of butter. Okay, on the pies, I had to put it in the oven to throw it out. And so when I took it out, okay, I had to throw the pie crust out before I put it in, before I put the pie in it. So therefore, I have to cut it out. But I thank you all for looking. This is a delicious pie, and I know it. So, but anyway, I will be doing another repeat of this one, and I will have the pie crust out before I put it in, and I will have to put it in before it's unthawed.
Yeah, what she did was she had took them out and then she put it back in the freezer. When she put them back in the freezer, she get them apart. So she put the pie crust back in the oven. She forgot that it was cooking. It was in there, so the pie crust cooked. So That's kind of why it kind of crumbled a little bit, y'all. But the pie is delicious. So
it's delicious. The feeling is delicious.
The pie is delicious. So
it just has to do with the crust.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, she forgot they was in.
But I will show you the crust again. And thank you so much. You'll enjoy the pie.
Pie is
Please
delicious.
use the pie filling.
The pie is delicious.
Thank you so much.
And I'm not even the pie eater, but it's very delicious. And this is how it came out, y'all. All right.
Thank you so much. See you later on the next video. Goodbye from Miss Nina's Kitchen.